So what's up, guys? Back with another video. And after all that storm and all that wind that we had, I'm gonna show y'all what happened. All right, so I got the four-wheeler all set, and I'm gonna go drive to show y'all. All right, so I'm at the tree, and it's pretty big, and it fell from right there in that woods, and it came all the way to right here. Probably some snakes up back in there. It probably was ready to fall because it was really like rotten and all the sticks like are falling off. Like, look at all the sticks that fell off. Some over here. Down there, that's like, soon that tree's probably gonna fall because that one's also rotten.